In this lesson, we're going to cover assembly contact. The file that I have open is called assemblycontact.iam. In this assembly, it's of a Geneva gear. As you see, as I go back and spin it around, the pin will pass right through the second component. Obviously, that's not what we would prefer to have happen. Now, what we need to do to have this actually work correctly is there's two steps. The first one, under the Tools pull-down menu, go down and select on Document Settings. Then from Document Settings, select the Modeling tab. And from the Modeling tab, down at the bottom we have three choices. Contact Set Only. And in this case what we will do is we will add the physical parts that we want to have the contact set be applied to. All components, or in this case it was all off to start. So what we're going to do is Contact Set Only. Then there's three different options on the right hand side. So we have all surfaces where everything will be analyzed. We have general surfaces where all the surfaces will be analyzed except fillets and blends. And for simple surfaces, non-analytical surfaces will be ignored. For our example here, we're just going to keep it at all surfaces. Go ahead, click OK. Next, what we need to do is add the components that are going to become part of our set. Now there's two different ways of doing that. I can move my cursor over the part that I want to add in the graphics window. Right click, then click Contact Set, or in the browser, simply just move your cursor over that part, right click, and add it to the contact set. Now as I rotate the part around, you'll see that it's engaging and it's moving, so it's no longer having the material go through material. Lastly, if you do have a constraint applied, that would go back and drive this. So for example, I have an angle constraint. I can go back, right click, drive that constraint, and let's just run it through. You can see that everything is working accordingly.